Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman here, the Stock Whisperer, with today's daily dark pool whisper for August 15th. Is it August 15th today? Yes, it is. Guess whose birthday it is? It's Jane's birthday. Happy birthday, Jane, by the way. She's one of our instructors in the training pit. If you're listening, Jane, happy birthday. There's one thing that we like to do on a birthday, and that is trade. So let me try to find some really good trades for you, Jane. Let's start with the SPY. We're going to be bullish above 284.05. Yeah, really key level. You can see we've already gone up quite a bit. I did post this out on the Dark Pool app about an hour ago. When I started to do the whispers, a lot of the stuff started to move. So when the market is having big movement in the morning, I will post the individual whispers out if they're close to the levels, because I do know a lot of you are trading them. So this is a really key level at 284.05. It's a dark pool level. We came right down to it and bounced. That is print pong. So today, if we do go down, and that's really more of a retracement trade. I'm not saying I'm bullish, all right? It's just a retracement. And look what it did, right? Came right to this 4 EMA. That's a brick wall of resistance. If we do go down again, going to be bearish below 282.50. Let's go to the E-minis. E-minis bullish above 28.50. We are right on there right now. It looks like a big fat doji on the daily chart. I'm going to be bearish below 28.32 for the E-minis. Let's go to the Russell. Bullish above 146.75 and bearish below 145.50. If we start to move down again, I'd rather go with the trend today than the retracement trade. But if we start to break above any of those 4 exponential moving averages, then there are trades going up to the 8 EMA on the daily chart, for example. Like right here, there's another little pocket. All right, only really truly bullish if we can close above the 8 EMA. That's really key. And that will be a brick wall. But you can see we definitely hit some resistance at 147. So we have the QQQs. Bullish above 182.55. Yep, which we went above. Did post this out. And bearish if we do turn around below 180.70. Pretty wide levels there. We are on a trend line. Yeah, so this is really key for the QQQs. Yep, to see if we will close below this trend line. This one goes pretty far back. I could actually just tweak this slightly. You want to get the bodies inside the trend line. It's okay if wicks are on the outside, but the bodies have to be kept in. So this is a really key spot that I want you guys to watch. Yeah, if we close below that with the body, look out below, we're going to go lower. So very important to watch today. We'll see. The NASDAQ futures. Let's go to those guys. We're going to be bullish above 75.75 and bearish below 74.49. Next we have the Dow. The E-mini Dow Jones futures, we're going to be bullish above 25.725. That's higher up. And bearish below 25.390. Oil futures, let me show you that chart over here. Bring this in. And just kind of blow this up a little bit. All right, we are under the pivot, under that trend line that I showed you yesterday. In case you missed it, I'll just quickly show you once again. See this dotted green line? This is really key. I'm watching this like a hawk. We are just underneath it right now. So I'm going to be bullish above 54.62 for a retracement to the pivot. See what I wrote here? Retracement to the pivot. This pink line, that's going to be a brick wall of resistance. Bearish below 53.60. If we break below S1, look out below. All right, now we're going to just go to the gold futures. Bullish above 15, let's see what I wrote, 1532. And again, we're also teetering on that big long-term trend line as well. We'll see if we can close above 1525 on the weekly candle. Anything can happen. They paint these candles all week long. All of a sudden on Friday, it changes. Okay, so we really need to be patient for one more day. Let's see if they can keep it above it or not. Right now, it's kind of losing it. So bullish above 1532 and bearish below 1518, right? You can see why I picked that level. That is that trend line. If we can't hold that, we'll most likely go right down to this S2 level. All right, we're done with the futures. Let's move on to the regular stocks. And let's start with AMD. Yeah, my traders love this. And the pit. Me personally, I don't like to trade it. I'd rather trade Bank of America any other day of the week. In fact, we killed that one yesterday. So I'll go over the new levels that we're going to watch today. But let's just go over AMD. Bullish above 30.50. And again, this is a retracement trade up to, let me just put that here. Forgot to put retracement up to the 4 EMA. There's a big seller at 30.80. Let me just see if he's still there. Yeah, he is. See this guy? Yep, he's selling at $30.80. Bearish below 30.25. A lot more room on the downside for this trade. And let's go to the next one. CSCO. We used to call this Cisco the Kid back in the day. In the 90s, we had nicknames for all the stocks. And Dad used to trade Cisco every day. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't ever trade Cisco anymore. But it had earnings, so I have to put it on the whisper. And maybe we'll trade it today. I'm going to be bullish above 47. And I'm going to be bearish below 46. I love these gapping stocks. Is it going to be a gap, a drop and pop scenario, or is it going to be a drop and drop? And so that's why these levels are really, really key. So watch those carefully. And of course, if we do get prints, those take precedence. Let's go to TLT, Dynamite. This has been rocking in the pit. We've just been riding this thing all the way up. Today, though, going to be bullish above 147.50. That's a really key level to watch. Bearish below 146.60, which already started to happen on this trade. Retracement. Okay, so again, the further away it gets from the 4 EMA, the more it kind of wants to come back again. See, coming back. We're really far away. So again, that's why I picked 147. If you're not in this already, watch that level or wait for a retracement back to the 4 and then up again. That's when you want to get in. And let's go to the next one, Walmart. Attention, Walmart shoppers. I guess a lot of you have been shopping at Walmart. All right, the stock likes it. Yeah, 114 is a really key level. Bullish above that. There is a big seller at 115, or there was. Yeah, it's not that tremendous. There's actually a seller at 114 as well right here on the ARCA book. Let's check out the NASDAQ. Ooh, big buy. Look at this big buyer. 112.50. Yeah, that's really big. Yep, so bearish below that. Yeah, below 112. Yeah, if it can't hold 112.50, there's somebody that definitely wants to buy. Or he could be spoofing. If he moves out of the way, this thing will tumble down. Let's go to Baba. Baba also earnings bullish above 169, bearish below 167. GE, lot of volume today. It's not one that I like to trade too often because the ATR, the average true range from the low to the high every day, is usually about 20 cents or 30 cents. And it's really hard to make too much money when it doesn't really move much. But kind of like where it's positioned on the chart today, it could retrace back up or it can get hit more to the downside. So 860, we just hit my first target already this morning, 850. And I did post this out on the app already, so hope somebody got that first trade going down there. Oh, actually it hit both, 840. It did go down and hit there. All right, we'll see what happens. We'll see if it goes up above 876. There could be that trade to the long side, or it comes down again. I like it bearish below 860. USO bullish above 1156. And why did I pick that? Well, because we really have to clear above all this resistance. Yes, a lot of traffic in here, so I do see a trade to the upside there. If not, I do see a trade to the downside for US. Oh, a lot of volume. We did have a sell print the other day right up here, 1184. Yep, smart money sold at the top. So I'll see if we get any other prints in, but we haven't had anything else big. BAC, yeah, let's check that out. So BAC come right down to my trend line. Drew this in the Java pit. Yeah, unbelievable, right? Bam, bam, and then here we went right there. I said if we break down below this trend line, where are we going to go? And we drew this one simple trend line touching these candles, and there we go. Computers are programmed on these levels. So if we do start to head down again, at least the first time they're going to buy there, bearish below 26.37, but keep in mind if we do go below 26, this is going to get really ugly really fast. Bullish above 27, okay, bullish above 27 for a retracement trade. And again, not being bullish, but a retracement. Yeah, okay, so let me just put retracement here. All right, one more. We got GDX. GDX, very interesting spot that we're in. I'm watching this. I actually have this strangled, but I'm looking to add to the call side if we can break above 29.20. Was 29, but I saw a seller at 29.11. And then I'm going to be bearish below 28, okay, down to this trend line. Yeah, we're in the middle of this channel, so I really do love the positioning for the strangle, but you got to add to the right side, so possibly today it'll show me the way. All right, everybody, there you have it. Those are your whispers for August 15th. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.